This is Matt, and this is a video on how to create upsells in Kajabi. So I'm right here on my Kajabi backend. You can see that I am in sales. So on the sidebar here, we've got sales, and then a little bit way down, we need to click on offers. So I have the offers open here, so you can see just some of the variations of my different products here. Now, if you want to actually offer an upsell, you need to click into one of these offers right here. So let's click on this video business fast forward special offer. This is one of the many special offer ones right here. Now, all you need to do is click on cross selling. So you'll see that I have 0 right here. Previously we had an upsell, which is now inactive. But if you want to add an upsell, you can see here we've got upsells and downsells. We can click right here on add an upsell. So we can now select an offer, so you can see the different offers that we have here. I'm just going to do something random just for the purposes of this video. So we've got the filmmaker and videographer database resources right here. So the upsell title could be, let's just call it F&V database. So you can just put a title here, you can give a description, describe the upsell offer so your members know exactly what to expect, and you can add a video right here as well for the sales page or the aspect of the sales page. So cancel button text, you can customize that, and we have the purchase button text as well, so we can customize that. So all you need to do to make that active is to click add upsell. And that has been added here. So now I can actually make that active by clicking inactive. I can make that active, and then I can click on save. And just like that, we will have an upsell. So I can delete this one. I can move things around. You can do your upsells, and you can also do downsells from here as well. So hopefully you found this video on how to create an upsell in Kajabi helpful. Hopefully it's been useful for you. If it has, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.